Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss the decimals for 6th standard children. Listen children, subtract the sum of 9.125 and 12.36 from the sum of 25.2 and 103.167. Now I am going to add this. Sum means what I have to do? Add. So these two things I am going to add. This is the step 1 I am going to do, as well as from the sum of. So again I am going to add this too. Then step 1 I am going to add this 9.125 and 12.36, and step 2 I am going to add 25.2 and 103.167, and then I am going to subtract. Subtract means what I have to do? From is there, so I am going to subtract this. Listen children, now I am going to write the solution for this. Clear? Step 1. What is the sum here? 9.125 plus, what is that? 12.36. Okay, arrange in the decimal. See, this is unlike decimal. Now I am going to change this into like decimal. So for that, put 0 here. Now I can add this. 5, 2 plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 3 is 4, dot 9 plus 2 is what? 11. So 1 carry over. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So my step 1 is what? 21.485. This is my step 1. I completed this. Next, I am going to add this 25.2 and 103.167. Okay, listen, step 2. Listen, 25.2 plus 103.167. Children, now it is an unlike decimal. Change this into like decimal. Like decimals means in the missing term I am going to put a 0. So listen, what is this? 0 plus 7? 7. 0 plus 6? 6. 2 plus 1? 3. Dot 5 plus 3 is what? 8. 2 plus 0? 2. And what is this? 1. So my step 2 is over. Listen, see, now I am going to write the step 3 here. Can you clear this children? Step 3, what is the sum of this two? 21.485. From is there, no? So write that from. And what is the sum of these two numbers, which is 128.367. I know that from after what is the number that I am going to write to be what? First. So 128.367 minus 21.485. Now it is in a like decimal. So I can subtract this. What is this? 7 minus 5? 2. 6 minus 8, whether I am able to subtract this? No. I have to borrow from where? See, 3 is giving, so for that it becomes what? 2. And 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. Again 2 minus 4, I am not able to subtract this. So I have to borrow from where? 8. So 8 becomes 7 and it is getting no. So for that it is what? 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Dot 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 2 0, and drag this 1 as it is. So my answer is 106.882. Can you clear this children? Step 1 I am going to add. Step 2 again I am going to add. Next step 3 I am going to subtract this. Got it children? Children, see the 9th question. Priya's mother gave her 15 rupee 75 paise and her father gave 20 rupee 30 paise Find the total amount. So total amount means what I am going to do? I am going to add. Is it clear? So total amount means I am going to add. What is the father given and mother given? No, the amount I am going to add here. Listen. Listen children. Amount given by mother. How much? 15 rupee 75 paise. The same thing, amount given by father. How much? 20 rupee 30 paise. Now I am going to find the total amount. See, listen. Total amount is equal to, listen, 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over. Keep the dot as it is. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. Put the rupee symbol here. Now I am going to write the answer. See, listen, what is the answer here? Total amount given to Priya by her parents. Together they are given how much ma? Rupees 36 rupees 5 paise. Can you understand this, children? Total amount means I am going to add. See the 10th sum, children. Binna travelled 10 kilometer 250 meter by bus, 11 kilometer 340 meter by car and 250 meter on foot in order to reach her school. Okay. How far is her school from her home? So I am going to calculate here distance from the school to home. Distance I am going to calculate. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? So I am going to add the bus, car as well as the foot. Can you understand this? Okay. Now listen. Kilometer. So I am going to start with what? Distance. Distance covered by bus. How much? Kilometer, meter. Listen, this is what? 10 kilometer. Listen, children. 10 kilometer 250 meter. Now next, distance covered by car. Distance covered by car. What is it? 11 kilometer. So in the kilometer you write 11 and in the meter you write 340. Okay. Now by the foot. So distance covered by foot. How much? There is no kilometer, only the meter they are given. What is it? 250 meter. So here in the kilometer just you put a 0. Now we are going to add this to 3 things. Okay. So this is what? Total distance. Got it? Total distance, listen. 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. So 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Again 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Got it? Now finally I am going to write the answer to be what? How far is our school from home? So distance from school to home is equal to 21 kilometer 840 meter. Can you clear this, children? To calculate the distance from the school to home, I am going to add the distance covered by bus, distance covered by car as well as distance covered by foot. See the 11th sum. A water tank has 950 liters of water. Got it? If 160.50 liters and 375.25 liters water is used in 2 days, then how much of water is left in the tank? So this is your total. 950 is what your total. 950 is the total liter. In that I am going to subtract this because I am using this. So I am going to subtract means what it is, this 160.50 as well as a 375.25 I am going to subtract. If that I am subtract, I can get the left amount. Got it? Left means what? I am going to subtract. All total together means I am going to add that. But here left is there. So I am going to subtract. Listen, children. Now I am going to do this by 2 steps. The first step, I am going to add this used water I am going to add. Listen. Step 1. Capacity of water used in 2 days is equal to how much? 160.50 liter and 375.25 liter. So actually after the decimal you have to add one more zero because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So you have to fill this place. Okay. So add the zeros here. Okay. Now listen. 0. 0 plus 5 is what? 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And what is this? 5. 6 plus 5 is? Sorry, 6 plus 7 is? 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. See, this is the capacity of water used in 2 days. I am going to start the step 2. Step 2, total capacity of water. Okay, total capacity of water in a tank is equal to what is given? 950 liters. Okay. Now capacity of water used in 2 days. Capacity of water used in 2 days. What I find out in the step 1, I am going to write this. Okay, listen. 535 liters, 750 milliliters. So I can write to be what? 535.750. Now listen children, change this into like decimal. So I am going to add 3 zeros in the capacity of water. Now I am going to subtract this. Listen, 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Again you have to borrow from where? You have to borrow from 5. So this become 4 and this become 10, and this 10 is giving to 1. So for that 9 and this become 10, and this 10 is giving to 1. So 9, this is what? 10. Got it, children? Now listen, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Again 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. Write the unit, children. Now see, this is what? Difference. I can write to be difference. Okay. Now finally I am going to write the answer. What is the answer I am going to write? Left in the tank. So capacity of water left in the tank is equal to 414.250 liters. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen, children, 12th sum. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius and alcohol boils at 78.37 degree Celsius. I am going to find the difference. Difference means I am going to use a minus symbol between the two boiling points. Okay. So I am going to find out the difference for water as well as the alcohol. Listen. How can I write the statement for this? Boiling. Boiling point of water is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Now, boiling point of alcohol is equal to how much, which is given? 78.37 degrees Celsius. Change this into like decimal. So for that you have to put 2 zeros there. Difference means I am going to subtract this. Okay. Listen. How you have to do? Borrow from 1. So this 1 become what? 0. Which is giving no. So for that it becomes what? 10. Again it is giving to the 0. So this become 9 and this is what? 10. Again it is giving to next one. So 9, 10. Next giving. So for that 9, 10. Got it, children? Now listen. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Keep the dot as it is. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2 degree Celsius. So this is your difference. Now I am going to write the answer for this. So listen, difference between the two boiling points is equal to 21.63 Celsius. Thank you, children.